Hello YouTube, this is John. This is a Tecno CX Air. I'm going to unbox it. Actually, I've just broken the seal. This is a gift to someone here. It's a birthday gift. So let me unbox it for you. Let's just see the specification. This is a Tecno CX Air. It has a 13 megapixel front and rear camera. Then it comes with 16 GB of ROM with 2 GB of RAM. The battery is 3200 milliamps. It has a fingerprint scanner. It has dual flashlight, and also comes with 4G for fast internet. You can use 4G. Then the Android version is 7.0. Comes with a processor of 1.25 gigahertz quad core. The display is 5.5 inch. So let's see what's inside the box. Wow, this is nice. Tecno CX. It's a birthday gift. Let's see. So this is the 8 meg. Oh, actually I'm powering it on. So I pressed the power button. Let's see what it has. Then inside here, this is the Canon CX. Then it comes with a cover to protect your phone. Actually, we bought a golden version. Then it has the user manual, warranty card inside there. It comes with a charger, USB cable. This is the charger. Then the earphones. Then this is the first time we power it on. We are going to choose the language. We are going to go for English, United States. Then let's get started. We have not put a SIM card. Then we shall go for skip. We can do that later. Then here it's asking us to set up, to restore data. I'm going to say status set up as new. Then it's looking for a connection, but I'm not going to use any connection. Then you can do next. Then it's asking for a time zone. I'm going to go for, shall we, in East Africa, Uganda. I'm going to look for Nairobi. Where is it? Nairobi, it's here. That's the East African time. Then for the dates, this is 2018. 2018 Feb. Feb 23. Then place OK. Then for the time, it's 8. Then press next. Then the on of the phone, let me put when I press next. Then to set up the screen lock, I'll skip that, you can do it later. Then I'm done. Then choose country, I'll say none for now. Actually, it won't allow me. Let me look for our country, Uganda. Next, I agree. Then long press the power key. Wow, it has opened. It says the Tecno Canon CX Air. It says the first, then good to go with that. Then go to about the phone, Android version. As you can see, it's Tecno Canon CX. Actually, it is a 2017 phone, as you can see here. Shall do the other review on how the phone works, the camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll be there for you guys. You can ask me any question about this phone. I'll be able to tell you everything. Let me put it in the cover. It was the unboxing of the Tecno Canon CX. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.